What is the biggest mistake first-time home buyers make? Not being fully prepared before starting their home search. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid the most common pitfalls and buy with confidence. Let's talk about the 3 common mistakes first-time home buyers make in Chattanooga and why they happen. Number 1. Financial mistakes. Not getting pre-approved before house hunting. Ignoring hidden costs like taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Overextending your budget by buying at the top of your price range, leaving little room for unexpected expenses. Number 2. Emotional and strategic mistakes. Falling in love with a home before knowing their budget. Skipping the home inspection to speed up the process. Rushing into a decision because of pressure from the market. Number 3. Market-specific mistakes in Chattanooga. Underestimating competition in hot neighborhoods like Northshore and Southside. Assuming new construction is problem-free and skipping inspections. Not researching location factors like commute times and school districts. But there's good news. With the right approach, you can avoid these costly missteps. Here's how to buy your first home in Chattanooga the right way. Get pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. This strengthens your offer and helps you shop smarter. Understand all home ownership costs. Budget for taxes, HOA fees, and maintenance. Never skip a home inspection. Even if a home looks great, hidden issues could cost thousands. Work with a realtor who knows Chattanooga. A local expert helps you negotiate, find the right home, and connect with trusted lenders, inspectors, and contractors. Buying your first home is a big step, but you don't have to do it alone. At Jay Hudson Homes, we specialize in guiding first-time home buyers through every stage of the process, making it easy, stress-free, and successful.